how to install WordPress theme. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress theme. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. It's very easy to install a WordPress theme. All you have to do is click on appearance themes, and whatever theme you want to install you can install. So I'm going to show you an example. So let's say we can download some popular theme. So just make it big. Yeah, so let's say we want to install this theme called Hestia. Okay, just click over here, install, and then once it's installed you just have to click on activate. For some reason my face is not showing. Anyways, you just have to click on activate. And congratulations guys, this is how you install a WordPress theme. Very easy and simple, nothing more to it. So this is the theme right now, looks really good. If you want, you can install other themes as well. So if you want to install this theme, you can just click on install and then click on activate, and then click on activate. Go back to my website, refresh, and this is the theme right now, looks really good. If you want to customize the theme, all you have to do is on the top hand corner, on the top left hand corner, you could see customize over here. Just click on customize. So every theme has different customization options. So you could change over here the typography, or you could change the header, you could change the site identity, you can add your logo, you could remove this, display the site title, you could do whatever you want. And another way of doing it is, so let's say you buy a paid theme. Okay, so another way to upload a theme is click on add new and upload a theme. So you would be given a zip file, so you just have to upload a zip file. So I have one of the premium themes called Astra theme. You can just click on install now, and this would install. So it's installing failed because it's missing something, but this is how you install it. So these are the two ways you can install a WordPress theme. And thank you for watching. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.